The persistent blue light on your BT YouView box is one of the most common technical issues users encounter. Understanding what this light means is the first step to resolving the problem. Here we see a typical BT YouView box. The blue light strip across the front is what we're focusing on. This light communicates the device's current status to you. There are 3 types of blue light behavior you might observe, each indicating a different situation. Normal startup shows a brief blue light for 30 to 60 seconds. A stuck blue light that stays on for over 5 minutes indicates a boot failure. A flashing blue light usually points to network connectivity problems. The blue light issue typically stems from 5 main causes. Understanding these helps target your troubleshooting efforts. Firmware corruption accounts for 60% of cases, especially in older boxes from 2018 to 2021. Hard drive failure, power supply issues, network problems, and overheating make up the remaining causes. Now let's address the issue with immediate troubleshooting. The first and most effective step is performing a power cycle reset. Here's the power cycle reset procedure. First, unplug the power adapter for at least 30 seconds. While unplugged, hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge any residual power. Finally, reconnect the power and observe the startup sequence. Next, we need to check all physical connections. Loose or damaged cables are often overlooked causes of startup issues. Check that your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the box and your TV. Verify your Ethernet cable is properly plugged in or that Wi-Fi is connected. Finally, inspect the power adapter for any visible damage to the cable or connector. These immediate steps resolve approximately 75% of blue light issues. If the problem persists after trying these solutions, you may need more advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve the blue light issue, it's time to try more advanced solutions. The first intermediate step is performing a factory reset on your BT YouView box. To perform a factory reset, you'll need to hold 2 buttons simultaneously. First, locate the standby button and the down arrow button on your remote control. Hold both the standby and down arrow buttons simultaneously, then power on the box while continuing to hold these buttons for at least 10 seconds. This will trigger the recovery mode. If the factory reset doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to diagnose your network connection. Network problems are a common cause of blue light issues during startup. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try connecting your YouView box directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This helps rule out wireless connectivity problems. You should also check your router settings and ensure your BT broadband connection is stable. Access your router's configuration page to verify the wireless settings are correct. For advanced troubleshooting, you need to assess your YouView box's hard drive health. Hard drive failure is a common cause of persistent blue light issues, especially in older boxes. Listen carefully for unusual clicking sounds coming from your YouView box. These clicking noises often indicate mechanical failure of the hard drive's read-write heads. Overheating is another critical factor to check. If your YouView box becomes excessively hot during operation, it may cause the blue light issue due to thermal protection mechanisms. Check if the box feels unusually warm to the touch, especially around the ventilation areas. Ensure there's adequate airflow around the device and that vents aren't blocked by dust or objects. If your YouView box is still under warranty and these steps haven't resolved the blue light issue, consider professional diagnostic services from BT. BT's technical support can run remote diagnostics on your device and may offer free replacement if hardware failure is confirmed. They have specialized tools for firmware recovery and system restoration. As a final advanced solution, firmware recovery may be necessary. This involves accessing your YouView box's engineering menu to attempt manual firmware downloads or using BT's specialized restoration tools. Firmware recovery is a complex process that varies by YouView box model. It typically requires accessing hidden engineering menus and should only be attempted by experienced users or BT technicians. These intermediate and advanced solutions should resolve most persistent blue light issues. If problems continue after trying these methods, hardware replacement may be the only remaining option.